Hey there everybody, it's Rad. Today I'll be making a three-dimensional snowflake. And like real snowflakes, it's going to have 6 points. Unlike real snowflakes, it's going to look the same if you make multiples of them. Now, what you're going to need are 6 sheets of paper, regular copy paper, and we'll have to fold them into squares by folding them into triangles. I'll show you what I mean. You just fold it like this. Then you're going to cut off this part. If you open it up, it's a square. You'll need to do this with every one of them. And then you're going to fold them all, again like this, to make a smaller triangle. So, I have some here already cut and folded. Now I'm going to cut them. Now the way to cut them is very specific. Now let's take a look at this. You have 2 folds here, 1 fold here. Here you have no folds. What you're going to do is you're going to make a cut on the 1 fold parallel to this side here with no folds. Parallel means side by side. And I'm going to do this maybe about 1 inch in here, more or less. And I'm going to stop right before I get to the end. See, I left like, I don't know, maybe ½ an inch, which is what this is. Then I'm going to do the same here, and I will cut the same on this side, parallel again, and the same width more or less, leaving a little bit of space there. Okay? Now I will do this with all of the sheets of paper. Now what you're going to do is open them all up. Like this, and lay them flat. I already have some here. Now is the time to paste or tape, depending on your preference. I'm going to go ahead and use the tape. It's less messy for one. And I'm going to cut little squares. Now this is double stick tape. It's sticky on both sides. It's sort of like putting mayonnaise in between 2 pieces of bread and it'll stick it together, if you think of it that way. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to attach these like this, sort of like a cylinder. This is a cylinder. In fact, you could put this in between as a guide, and there you have it. Now I'm going to skip this one and go to the end one and attach these together like this. If you do it right, it should look like kind of a square shape. Then I'm going to flip this around and attach the other side. And now I've got this icicle shape, right? All right, so you need to do that with every sheet of paper. Luckily, I already have some of these made. You need, of course, like I said before, 6 of them. Now, what are you going to do with all of these? Well, you need to take 3 of them, and we're going to attach them like this. As you can see, this is already 1/2 of the snowflake. So I'm going to take some tape, put it in here, and the middle one on both sides. And again, I'm going to sandwich these together like that. See that? Now I could also attach these sections here so that it is a little bit stiffer and keeps its shape, especially if you're using copy paper. All right, now I'm going to do the same with the other half. Watch this. I'm going to take one of these and put some tape. And also I'm going to put some tape here and tape there. Now I'm going to sandwich these with the other 2 on the sides. And since I did the same with the tape here, I could go ahead and just attach those like that. And I'm going to get this ready by putting tape on the end because it's going to attach to this one. And attach this one as well. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to put tape in the center area here and lay this other one on top. That's it. Attach these. And you're done. A three-dimensional paper snowflake. These are really fun to make with a group of people. You could each delegate a different job. It's great to do like in a party where each person makes 2 of them. One of them they keep to take home and the other one they leave behind to decorate the space that they're having the party in. And you can make them in different sizes. Here's one that's a little bit smaller. I used cardstock for this, and because the paper is so stiff, I had to use a stapler inside of there. In fact, I made a larger one as well. Watch this. It barely fits in the screen. This one was made with cardstock. I believe it was 12-inch by 12-inch paper. So there you have it, 3-dimensional paper snowflakes, whatever size you want to make. But the basic one you can make with regular copy paper from a copy machine. All right, now it's your turn. I've got 2 words for you. Get cracking.